Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel XLVB Expert. In today's video, I have taken one interview question of SQL. Alright, this question actually had been asked to my one of a candidate. One for my student. Okay, uh, he was giving the interview in the one company. Okay, I will not take the name of that company. All right. So that this question actually had been asked to him. Okay, and he had been told to create the sub procedures. All right, in the SQL. So the question I have already mentioned here. Let me go. Let me take you to the question. Okay. The question was to creating the sub procedure. The question was like this: we have, for example, that we have a one table in SQL. Alright, and that table contains the two columns of, for example, employee name and sales. Right. In that case, what we need to do, alright, we need to create the one store procedure which can help the user to insert and update the records in that particular table. Right. So the condition was there, if if the user is trying to inserting the data of the employee name, if user is trying to inserting the data. All right, but in the data, if the employee name is already existing, okay, in that particular table, so in that case, what happens, sales should get update against that particular employee name. Okay, the entire detail should not get insert again into that particular table. Right, if the user is not existing, so in that case the entire detail should get insert in that table. This is a simple procedure we need to create in the SQL server. Then I thought, let's make the video on this topic. Definitely this question, even I thought, yes, the question is little bit interesting, so let's create the video. And definitely this will help you out much to clear your thoughts, okay, and to doing such a question. Okay, and apart, after watching this video, if you think, okay, such a question, if you want to add the more condition here, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely make the videos, okay, like this. All right, so let's move to the SQL SSMS editor. So here I have already created the my new query window. All right, and I want to work here. Okay, in which database? For example, I want to work in Akash database. So I am activating Akash database here. Here I am going to create one table. Create table table one, for example. Right here I am giving the two columns, employee name as varchar. All right, and after that I want to give sales as a bigint. I'm just creating the table. The table I have created. Here you guys can see my table is empty. Right, table is empty. Here what I want to create the sub procedure which can help the user to update or insert the data. If the employee name is already existing in this particular table, so the sales should get update against that particular employee name. All right, else the entire details or entire data should get insert in this table. Right, so that is what we are going to do. So here I am going to write create. Here I am going to create procedure. Right, I'm going to write my query like this: create procedure. Okay, procedure name I need to procedure one, for example. All right, here I would like to give at the rate employee name variable. I need to declare at the rate employee name, whereas varchar. All right, and at the rate sales as begin. All right, as begin, and after that I want to go start my procedure. Okay, it should check first. Okay, if exits, if select star from select star from all right, table one, where employee name should be at the rate employee name. If this command is already existing, I mean this the query which I have written here, select star from table 1 where employee name is equal to employee, if any records it will get found, so in that case what should happen, okay, it should update my table. So I am going to write begin update which table, my table 1. What I want to update, I want to update my sale. So sales, again, what sale I want, whatever the user is providing the sales. Okay, what would be the condition, where my employee name would be the employee name which user is trying to find, right? And in else what should happen, my entire details should get insert into in which table, table 1. Values should be at the rate employee name at the rate say, right? And this is the sub procedure we need to create on, right? I'm going to run it. I'm going to press F5. At the moment I pressed F5, so command completed successfully. It means the store procedure now I have created. So I'm going to execute, okay, this procedure. I'm going to call it execute procedure 1 which I have created. After that, the moment I press space, it is asking the parameters which we had given, okay, while creating the procedure. So it is asking me the employee name, which employee name you want to insert. I want to insert Akash, and sales should be 67, and I'm running it. And along with that, I want to see my data as well, so I will write my command like this. Alright, at the moment I did, so Akash 67 got inserted. But for example, name I am leaving, okay, the Akash, but sale I'm going to update 1 2. Ideally what should happen here, it should update the sale of Akash. Okay, the entire details should not get inserted. So let's see. F5. Fantastic, now you can see my detail is getting update. But for example, instead of Akash I am writing here Akku. Then what will happen, I am pressing F5. Great. Again, if I am instead of 12, I am writing 13. Let's see, 13. Exactly, it is working quite good. Even I will provide this query, alright, into the description box. So from there you can take it and you can use it, alright, in your daily task. Alright, apart from that, if you guys think that there is some critical thing and there are something which the people must know, you can give me the suggestion in the comment box as well. I will definitely will think about those. I will think about your thoughts, and definitely will try to do something, and will try to make the videos on the certain topic. Okay, which will seems, yes, these are the topics which can be the helpful for the people. All right. If you think, you can let me know in the comment box. All right. And thank you so much everyone to watching this video. Thanks a lot.